some problem is there with their thinking. All these days, now I talk politically, all these days he has been managing systems, managing whatever setups, constitutional setups also, and surviving on that. And now he got a big shock. Everybody agrees it. First time he was taken into custody on this serious crime. So it might be a shocking thing for him because he never faced this sort of this. Or whoever is his coterie or whatever. And even media maybe, because he pampered media, certain media, part of it, and they also look at him in a different this one. But neutral media and everybody, they know it. My request is, you please, as an independent media, you take whatever the allegations or remand report or allegations or the case details, and you look independently at it, present it to the public, let the public know. If there really political vendetta is there, political motives are there, my only single point is there. 1.5 years ago the case was booked. Does anybody in their saying or this one do resort to this sort of thing when elections are around the corner? That is a common point, common sense, question of common sense. So it's a real case, that's what I want to tell.
TDP has been saying it, calling it as an illegal arrest. You say that it's a real case, but they say it as an illegal arrest. And all of this has been planned, wantedly planned, because Jagan Mohan Reddy and YSRCP is not able to face the growth of TDP in the state of Andhra Pradesh. And just few months from now, we will be also seeing assembly elections which will be happening. So they call it as a political vendetta. They say that it's all a planned thing against Chandrababu Naidu to bring him down.
His
image is what they say.
He's not there. He's not in the political spectrum. If he thinks so, if he's so powerful, why is he depending on somebody, a non-entity like thing, except for film stardom? What does Pawan Kalyan has? He doesn't have an experienced, what you call supporting leadership or structure or party base. And let him tell, I will put 175, I will contest 175 seats independently. If Chandrababu says that, then at least I can initiate a discussion and tell whether he is strong or not. He doesn't have that capacity, one thing, and he doesn't dare to tell that. Let him not crave for, friendship of BJP. He's trying to woo everybody across the spectrum so that on their shoulders he can come again into power.
So if Jansena, TDP and BJP comes together, will it impact YSRCP?
Last time also I told you, I think.
Yes.
We are now, the popularity or public, voters in the state, from voters, it is 80% are with Jagan Mohan Reddy, minimum of 75-80%. So if at all when the elections come, even if you discount it with local factors also, we will be somewhere 60%. It's purely positive vote. Tomorrow in elections it's going to happen. When we are 60, remaining 40 all put together also, they come to 40 only. What impact will they have in whatever the elections? It was proved beyond doubt in earlier local body elections also. Now, that's why I am saying, I am not bragging. What I am trying to say is, Jagan Mohan Reddy looks at these pictures only a different way. This is a legal, this one. This is a scam. This should be dealt with through courts. Whatever our investigation part, once it is over, then the court will decide. This is public court. Here also we will use all these things, these corruption charges, and the personification of corruption is whoever it is, that is Chandrababu Naidu. That's what we are going to establish, prove beyond doubt to the public, who already is aware about all these things. And as far as the TDP's strength is concerned, there is no strength. It is almost on dying stage, on ventilator from 19 itself. And now it will be a complete political, it may become a complete political death. But we want a constructive opposition there. Jagan Mohan Reddy is not for what you call a unipolar total, he should decide. A responsible corruption, opposition should be there. That we welcome. Not this sort of, they don't have people's agenda. They don't have people's interests in mind. They have their own vested interests, and they want public should support their personal agenda, which is wrong and which will not stand, and they cannot get that support also from public.
Chief Minister